10. Logistics coordinators. Supply chain coordinator. Manages inventory and shipments. Operations coordinator. Oversees daily logistics and workflows. 9. Project coordinators. Event coordinator. Plans and manages events. Project coordinator. Assists in project execution. 8. Network coordinators. Protocol coordinator. Manages communication protocols. Data coordinator. Organizes and synchronizes data across systems. 7. Administrative coordinators. Office coordinator. Manages office operations. Executive coordinator. Supports executives with scheduling and tasks. 6. Academic and education coordinators. Curriculum coordinator. Develops and updates educational programs. Student coordinator. Assists students with academic and extracurricular activities. 5. Medical and healthcare coordinators. Patient care coordinator. Ensures smooth patient care and communication. Clinical coordinator. Manages healthcare teams and operations. 4. IT and technical coordinators. IT coordinator. Oversees technology, systems and support. Cybersecurity coordinator. Manages security policies and risk prevention. 3. Community and social work coordinators. Volunteer coordinator. Recruits and manages volunteers. Community outreach coordinator. Connects organizations with the public. 2. School coordinator. Manages academic programs and school activities. Ensures smooth communication between teachers, students, and parents. 1. Event coordinator. Plans and organizes events, such as conferences, weddings, or corporate gatherings. Manages logistics, budgeting, and scheduling. Subscribe my channel. Let us learn with Waqar.